I, Srimati Rita Bhattacharjee, Principal of Reshambagan HS School, Agartala, West Tripura. As per my experience about ICT lab is very good because we included in the daily routine ICT classes from class 6 to 10 under the instruction of ICT instructor Srimati Trisha Das. The teachers of our school is also participate with the student in the class. They are also interested to know about the hardware and software of computer. I also want to say that it is very essential for us to participate in the global because global is running on depends on it. It is very good for our future generation. Thank you.